Hello everyone, welcome to All in AI. Let's explore how to generate videos by using Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is developed by Google. We all know how to generate images by using Google AI Studio, right? Here, by using chart, we can generate images by using the option, by using the model like image generation 2.0 flash image generation option. We know how to generate images. Recently, Google launched how to generate videos by using the option video gen. By using the video gen option, we can generate videos. There are variety of tools available to generate videos, like even ChatGPT also developed Sora AI to generate videos, and also there are many AI tools available to generate videos. Google recently launched Video Gen to generate videos in the Google AI Studio. Let's see how it works. Here we have an option to write text prompt to generate videos. It's asking login. See, once you log in with Google AI Studio, you can generate videos by using text prompt. Here we have an option to edit. So this is the model VEO2. Even by using the single prompt, we can generate multiple videos. By option number of results, we can select the results by using this option. Even you can change the ratio, aspect ratio. If it is a 16 by 9 or 9 by 16, I'm using 16 by 9 for now. Let's we'll try with 9 by 16 also. Video duration is 8 seconds at default. You can change if you want, right? Even you can give negative prompt, which you don't want to see the video, you can write as a negative prompt. Let's close this and write a sample prompt to generate a video. I'm using a prompt something like this: cinematic tracking shot through a rail. This is the detailed prompt to generate a video cinematic tracking shot through a rail. Let's see how it's generating a video cinematic tracking shot through a rail. This is the in detail prompt. You can generate this type of prompts by using large language models, or you can research on large language models. We are generating 8 seconds video by using the text prompt. Cinematic tracking shot through a rail. Depending upon the prompt, the video should be the quality, even in detail particular things we generated by using the prompt which we wrote. See, this is the video which we generated by using the text prompt. Let's play it. See, this is the high quality video generated by using the simple prompt. Even you can see the fog effect also in the rain. Let me play one more time. This is the video which we generated by using the simple prompt by using Google AI Studio. Let me check with one more prompt how to generate a video by using text prompt. Let me here, I'm using one more prompt. See, this is a lush mango tree heavy with ripe fruit, golden orange mangoes, gently swaying in a warm breeze. So this is the prompt to make a video how to fall mangoes from the tree. So this is the in detail prompt to generate a video. Let's see how it's generating a video. Once it's finished, we can generate 9 by 16 ratio also. Let's see first how it is generating a video falling mangoes from the tree. See, here I use the golden orange mangoes, the color, slow motion. It lands with a soft thud on the grassy ground. Right? Close up on the vibrant colors. Depending upon the in detail prompt, the AI tools generates videos. It's taking some more time. Let's wait. Even you can write the sunlight. It lands with a soft thud on the grassy ground below. This triggers several more mangoes to release from the stems in quick succession. Still generating the video. Wait few more seconds. I think it's done. See, this is the video which we generated by using the text prompt. Let me play it. See, this is a high quality video we generated within seconds. Let's see the previous video also. Now we can generate 9 by 16 ratio. Same prompt, the size should be like 9 by 16. See, within seconds, it's generating high quality videos. Even you can generate corporate ads, cinematic visuals. Even you can generate games also. This is just a 8 seconds video. You can generate, you can change the options by using settings. See, if you want to generate longer videos, you must need to take subscription. Wait for a few more seconds to watch the video. It should be like same, but the size should be little different. See, this is the video. It is completely different video than the previous one, right? See, it's really high quality with in detail objects. See, this is the how we can generate videos by using Google AI Studio. You can explore yourself. Thank you.